munud yr hugain o gem di chwarae. Di sgor allan o bryd, ond Bae Colwyn wedi dwyn y bel yn ôl. Creamer di hwn. Creamer yn dal i fynd i mewn i'r cort! A mae wedi rhoi Bae Colwyn ar y blaen! Ac mae'r dorf yn dathlu. Gol wych gan Tom Creamer. Andrews yn derbyn. Gyda ni gosod i Bibi. Miles Hart. Flic hyfryd. Ac yna Cook. O, peniad gwych gan Jake Cook. Mae wedi mwynhau honna. Mae'n gwawdio'r dorf dros fil yma yn Ffordd Llanelian. A mae Treffynnon ôl yn gyfartal yn y gêm anferth yma ar frig y tabl. 7fed gol yr amddiffynwr y tymor hwn. Creamer yn osgoi'r dacl. Mae yna gymorth yna hefyd gan Downs. Ar draws, y capten! Anachiad bediad gan Jones. Mae'r cliriad yn cael ei wiro. Y bel yn dianc yn y diwedd. Dwi'n yn siŵr faint oedd McCready'n gwybod o hon, rhyw ôl beniad oedd hi. Bibi. Yn dal i fynd. Croesiad dros y postyn pella! A mae Morgan Murray yno! Nawr ta mae Treffynnon ar y blaen! Di Bae Colwyn heb golli drwy'r tymor, ond maen nhw ar ei hôl i. Andrews yn derbyn. Murray. Murray'n dal i fynd. Mewn â hi at Cook. Y bel ar draws! Ac mae Forbes wedi selio hi. Tair buddugoliaeth ar 20 o ddynol i Treffynnon. Mae ras y bencampwriaeth yn mynd ymlaen. Mae dal yn nwylo Bae Colwyn, a mae'n agosach nawr.
Yeah, it's a massive win for us. Thought the lads were outstanding. You know, they got off to a good start. I think for 25 minutes, you know, they were the better team and they looked like they were going to get a foothold. And I think as the half wore on, I thought we grew into the game, settled down, started believing we could go and take the game to them and eventually win it, and that's what they did.
Listen, credit to Holywell. It's their day. You know, it's not going to define our season. You know, we got 3 more games that we'll go and put in performances and hopefully get the 3 points. We need to secure the league. You know, and you know, my players have been brilliant. You know, all season. You know, it had to come in one game, and unfortunately for us, you know, it was today, and we didn't really turn up. But you know, we'll learn from it. You know, we'll learn from it. We'll assess it, and we'll dust ourselves down, and we'll go again Wednesday in training, ready for Saturday against Penryn Cork.
You know, look at the runs we're both on. I mean, never seen anything like it really, to be honest. So I think they knew it would be a harder game, but maybe in the back of their minds, 6-1. You know, I mean, they might be thinking it'll be that again, whereas it obviously wasn't.